Hello, and today we are doing another basic stitch tutorial, and today we are going to be doing treble crochets. So you're going to want a hook, doesn't matter what size, and you're going to want some yarn. Well, let's get started, shall we? So we are going to start by making our slip knot, and what we're going to do is we are going to chain 13 for this tutorial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Now what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over twice. We're going to insert our hook into the third chain from our hook, like so. We're going to yarn over again and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. So again, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. One more time, yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So it's as simple as that. So we're going to continue to the end of the row, just repeating that. Oop. There you have it, one row of triple crochet. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to chain 3, turn our work, and like before, yarn over twice and into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And that's how you would continue. So it's the same as what we did on the chains, but we're going to do it with each stitch. Inserting our hook into both loops of the previous row. So you see that there's 2 loops there. So you're inserting your hook into both of them. and it is that easy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful on learning how to do your triple crochet. If you did, please do press that like button and subscribe for more, as I do release tutorials every Thursday. Sometimes it's basic stitches like this, sometimes it's full patterns like these cute little leaves, and like what you're going to see on your screen now. So if you like it, give me a like, comment and subscribe. Help boost me in that algorithm. And I hope that you'll join me on my other social medias as well. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Threads, TikTok. Basic stitch tutorials are also released on my TikTok. I do have my crafty vlog starting soon as well, which I'm very excited for, which will be on TikTok and YouTube. And I am also, well, I'm a pattern designer, so I have patterns available on Etsy. All of my tutorials are also designed to help you learn how to read patterns. And if you really would like to, and if you could be so kind, you can go and join me on Patreon and support me on Patreon. All Patreons receive a free pattern every month. Just dependent on tier, depends on how many free patterns you get and as to what complexity it is. And to add to it all, you get behind the scene contents and early access, and you also get to see what I'm working on next. So yeah, have a lovely day and bye.